Large language models went from research papers to production systems overnight and created a slew of innovation all around. And these changes aren't confined to one corner of our lives. They meet us as builders of technology, they meet us as consumers of technology, and increasingly, they show up in our physical day-to-day. In fact, as I'm speaking to you today, I'm wearing the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. AI woven into everyday artifact and changing how I interact with the world and with this forum. That's how pervasive this has become. The systems we built for years have been working with certain assumptions, and these assumptions are now breaking. Which brings me to the question I suspect many of you are grappling with right now. What happens to the infrastructure we've spent years building when agents, and not humans, become the main consumers of that? We believe that with the right guardrails, they can work independently for hours, days, potentially weeks. And this is a fundamentally new paradigm. We're heading towards a world where humans shift from working in the loop to working over the loop. The inflection point is already here. Last year, automated traffic surpassed human traffic on the internet, hitting 51%. And it's growing 8 times faster. Inside Meta, the same inversion point is playing out. This half, we saw 30x growth in agentic queries hitting our data systems. Agents aren't a feature we shipped. They've become first-class infrastructure consumers. And that breaks assumptions we've held for over 2 decades. Capacity breaks. One engineer used to mean 1 unit of load. Now 1 engineer spawns 10 agents, each spawning sub-agents. Your 1,000-person org can generate the load of 100,000 users practically overnight. The answer isn't to block agents. It's to make infrastructure agent-aware. When we get this right, when agents and humans co-create at scale, we won't be talking about incremental gains. We will be talking about entirely new categories of products that don't yet exist. We spent 20 years building infrastructure for humans. We have maybe 20 months to rebuild the whole thing for a world where humans and agents co-create at scale. The window is open, but it won't stay open for long.